Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Milestone Mastercard online. So if you want to activate your new Mastercard for Milestone, then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up your preferred web browser and into the URL box type in mymilestonecard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official site of Milestone. To activate your Mastercard, you'll first need to be logged into your Milestone account. If you don't have an account yet, click the register your account button and follow through the prompts in order to register first. Once you have an account, you can log in and access your Mastercard service anytime you want. Go to the first text box where it says username and type in your correct username associated with your existing account. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your username or password, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow through the prompts to look for them. After filling in both of your information, click on the Login button. After you are logged in, you'll need to locate the Activation tab and receive the activation code at the registered email ID of your card. Enter it in the relevant field in order to activate your Milestone Mastercard online. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.